so today I'm going to be unboxing my Labubu. Okay, so the reason it has some tape here is because I maybe took a little sneak peek, but we don't talk about that. Okay, so let's open this. Open! Oh. Okay, I finally got it open. It took a little bit of ripping, but yeah, let's open this. Oh my gosh. I think this is where the Labubu is. I think it's in there. And ooh, it has a little card. That is nice. I'm now collecting these cards. Okay, so let's open this. Oh my god, I see its ears. Oh my god, guys! It's a Labubu! Oh my god, it's so cute. Some of you guys may think they're creepy. Probably most of you, but I think they're pretty cute. On the box, there's like all of the Labubus that you can get. And this one's Love. I don't know if you can see that. I don't think you can. And this one is Hope. Probably can't read these, but I'm just telling you what they say. This one is... Wait, what is it? Siren. I don't know what that says. This one is Luck. This one is Happiness. This is the one that we got. Like, look at the resemblance. And this one is Loyalty. I love Loyalty. Loyalty is probably my favorite. And there is a special one. One of my friends actually got the special Labubu, and it's the Rainbow Tooth. That's like, it's 1 out of 72. That's really rare to get the Rainbow Tooth. So yeah, that is my unboxing video. It's really short, but we got the card. And we have the actual amazing Labubu. It's so cute. And we got the box. I'm totally keeping this box. I'm keeping everything. So yeah, bye.